on the way to go to Sally's to buy some like I don't know the exact name for it, but it's like this product that helps remove like sorry about that, y'all. My camera, but anywho, it's supposed to like help with the gunk removal and yeah, just get rid of not just dirt, but it helps remove the glue as well. Like yeah, I can use alcohol, but I'm not trying to use it on my scalp or especially around my edges. So I'm trying to go and get that. I wish I could remember the name, but it works. Like I don't know, one day I just use that around my like hairline. I know it wasn't supposed to be used for that exact reason, but I found a hack and I'm gonna put y'all on it if I can find it. So hopefully it's at that Sally's I'm looking for. So yeah, see you guys. I just made it here. Okay, so I haven't found the exact product I was looking for, but this is something similar. So I'm just gonna end up getting this and be on my way. I came on a good day. She said it was 40% off, and it was only like $1 or something. So in total, I paid like $3 today. I did so good, y'all. Side note though, I'm freaking out a little bit. Like, not gonna lie, I didn't wash my face yesterday. I was tired to do that, but yeah, we're gonna fix that up this week. So I'm gonna start by applying this around my hairline and making sure to rub this in really good. And please don't mind my voice. I caught a cold while being in California. So I sound a little crazy. And please, I advise you guys, do not do what you see me doing here, and that is pulling on the wig. Okay, like don't snatch the wig. Apply more product if you need to, or oil or whatever the case, or whatever you're using, but please don't pull that wig. We're trying to save our edges, not snatch them off, okay?
Like Odell.